Okay, this video we have just two items, but they're cool items and you're going to like it. So stick around and let's get into it. Oh, check out my TapCon hat that I won. I think I won it. Anyway. All right, first up, we have a no spill funnel by this company. You pronounce it however you will, right? Now, if you look, it has, instead of having that little plunger thing that goes down in the top of the funnel to stop it up, it actually has a valve on it. You just turn it and open it. We'll get into it in a minute. I already have one. Matter of fact, it's sitting right here of the kind that I'm talking about. OEM. It's got the little plunger thing that goes in there that stops it up. They work great. I mean, it works great too. But when I seen this, I thought, that's pretty handy. So let's get it and try it out. Can't hurt, right? If you're wondering what I keep looking down at, I got a jack under my feet that is irritating the crap out of me. Anyway, next up, thanks to Eric O from South Main Auto, I think this is the same one he has, or he was talking about. This is a neat little kit. For like when you're working under a dash or something. You don't want to have a whole bunch of tools all laying under you while you're trying to lay on the floor and get in there. You don't want to have to keep going back and forth to find the right one. This is a cool little kit. So let me get these boxes open, packages, and check them out. You want to? Let's do it. Okay. This Wera thing, little toolkit, came with a cool sticker. It's a kind of a clear one though, so it's going to be kind of hard to see. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Needs to be on something obviously lighter than that, like something white or whatever. Came with all this paperwork on it in a whole bunch of different languages. I think this is a German brand. Pretty sure it is. But I don't think it's the same as what Eric O showed or has shown on his channel, because one of the things that he says is it has a belt clip for the on-the-go life, for the mechanic with the on-the-go lifestyle or something like that. And I don't think this one has that. So that's kind of sucks. But anyway, it is cool. As you can see, it's got all different kind of bits. Now, the only thing I don't like about it, pink. I don't like the way they're color-coded. To me, I think that's dumb. I mean, it's talking about so you can recognize what size it is. Instead of trying to remember what color equals what size, just read it. It says the size right there, you know what I'm saying? Color coding is kind of stupid. It's almost like the colored sockets at Harbor Freight. They're dumb. I would never buy them. But anyway, it folds out and it's got all kinds of bits. Hopefully you can see all of them. Tamper-proof, hex, Torx, tamper-proof Torx, Phillips, all kinds of different bits. Phillips and flathead. It's got several number 2s. I don't know about that. It's got this here. You slide this to take this out. Now this is for your bits. Slide it back this way. It also has this. This is pretty cool. I'm assuming you can put this in here. You can. And then you can put your bits in here. I don't know what the deal is with this. I think that's just a no. Let's try it out and see what it is. Let's get a big Torx. Don't fall. We got a big Torx because big fingers. You know what I'm saying? Oh. That holds the bits. Pull out on it to remove the bit. That's pretty cool. See? Pretty neat. That way you ain't got to worry about the bits falling out when you're under a dash trying to do something. And it also, I guess, whatever that's called, where you can hold it and still turn it. Anyway, that's pretty neat. Let's try to put this stuff back up and show you the other little thing that came with it. You see, it just slides in. At least I think it just slides in. Then you got to move this over, and this sits there like that. And then you just slide it back, and it locks it in. I guess I'll keep the bit out for a minute. And to be honest with you, I don't really know how you are supposed to get this out unless you just do that. Okay. So apparently you just lift up on this to get this out. It's a magnetic. Magnet's pretty strong too. That's good. It's a little mini screwdriver. Pretty neat. And of course you can put that other adapter piece in there. Let me see if I can get it out again. And I'm sure once you use these, it'll get looser where it's easier to get in and out. You can make it longer by using this. And I'm assuming you can use any bit. It's just a 1/4-inch bit. You don't have to use these bits. You can use long ones if you have them, but kind of defeats the purpose of having the little mini dude, right? Pretty neat. I like that. I can remember many a days of working under a dash where that would have came in handy as crap. Where you just grab this, go work under the dash, even if you don't know what size you need, you know. I was just looking at that. That moves. I was wondering if it came out. I don't know if it does. I don't think it does. Or I don't think it's supposed to. But you see it moves. But anyway, if anybody's ever used these under a dash or whatever, let me know what you think about them or about it, this toolkit. So far, I think it's pretty freaking neat. I like it. Did that go in like that? I think it did. Yeah, it did. Just like that. pretty handy. I didn't realize, even though it shows it on the package and all, I didn't realize it had all this color coding on the sockets, but it is what it is, right? Let's see, the number 8 is the pink, yellow is the 10. Like I'm going to remember that when all you got to do is just read the size of the socket. Duh. Pretty neat though, all in one little kit. You ain't got to worry about a bunch of different little tools rolling around on the floorboard under you and getting in the way and poking you. Got everything all in one little neat little kit. As they say, it's a cool little bit of kit. All right, one cool thing, it has a handle. The other one don't, so you can hold it. Then your adapters just screw on here, and as you can see, this is what I like about it. The on-off valve. That's awesome. No drip. It says no spill. But the handle, I mean, that's almost a game changer. And it's got a big scale on it where, you know, people like me with not so good eyes can easily read it, right? All right, there's all the little adapters that it comes with. All kind of adapters, as you can see here on the box. Let me turn this back around. Yeah, there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Just like all this other stuff, if it can be found on Amazon, there'll be a link for it in the description of this video. You can either go to my storefront and search for it. Something like this would be in hand tools. I don't know, the funnel may be in like specialty tools, or I'm not really sure all the different list that's on there, or I'll also have direct links in the description of the video. So all you got to do is click on that link and go, it'll take you directly to it if you want to buy it. And why not use the link? It's not costing you anything, but it is helping me out, and I would appreciate it if you guys would do that. It would mean a lot. So hope you like it or like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.